Welcome to this detailed documentary about wire manufacturing process inside a modern factory. Wires are used everywhere, in homes, offices, cars, machines, power plants, and even space technology. Without wires, electricity cannot travel from power stations to our homes. Today, we will see how simple metal becomes strong and safe electrical wires. Let's begin our journey inside the factory. The first step is raw material delivery. Main raw materials are copper, aluminum, plastic pellets, PVC compounds. Copper usually comes in large coils or thick rods. Aluminum arrives in heavy rolled bundles. These materials are inspected carefully before use. Quality control team checks purity and weight. Only approved materials go to production. Copper rods are very thick in the beginning. They cannot be used directly as wires. The rods are placed on a large machine called a rod breakdown machine. This machine slowly pulls the rod and reduces its thickness. The process is called drawing. The wire becomes thinner and longer. Drawing is a very important step. The copper rod passes through multiple small holes called dies. Each die reduces the diameter slightly. After passing through many dies, the thick rod becomes thin wire. Lubrication is used to reduce heat and friction. Cooling system prevents overheating. The result is smooth and shiny copper wire. After drawing, the wire becomes hard. Hard wire can break easily. To make it soft and flexible, annealing is done. Wire passes through a heating chamber. Then it is cooled slowly. This process increases flexibility and strength. Now the wire is ready for next step. Some wires need to be stronger and more flexible, so multiple thin wires are twisted together. This process is called stranding. Stranding machine rotates at high speed. Many thin wires combine into one strong cable core. This increases durability. Aluminum wires are lighter than copper. Process is similar to copper drawing. Aluminum rods pass through drawing dies. They are also annealed for flexibility. Aluminum wires are mostly used in power transmission lines. Bare wire is not safe for electricity use. It needs insulation. Plastic granules like PVC or XLPE are used. Granules are stored in silos. They are dried before use. Moisture is removed to ensure quality. Insulation is added using extrusion machine. Wire passes through extrusion head. Melted plastic covers the wire evenly. Thickness of insulation is controlled automatically. Cooling water tank cools the insulated wire. Now wire becomes safe for electrical use. Different wires have different colors. Colors help identify live, neutral, and earth wires. Pigments are added to insulation material. Common colors: red, black, blue, green, yellow. Color quality is checked carefully. After insulation, wires pass through cooling water tanks. Water removes heat quickly. Then wire passes through air dryers. Completely dry wire is collected on large drums. Quality testing is very important. Engineers test thickness conductivity, insulation strength flexibility, Heat resistance machines measure electrical resistance. Only approved wires move forward. Some wires must handle high voltage. They are tested under high electrical pressure. If insulation fails, wire is rejected. Safety standards are strictly followed. Wires are cut into required lengths. Automatic measuring machines ensure exact length. Common sizes: 10 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, 500 meters. Accuracy is very important. Small wires are coiled into round bundles. Coiling machine rotates and wraps neatly. Coils are tied securely. They are prepared for packaging. Large industrial wires are wound on wooden or steel drums. Heavy-duty machines handle big rolls. Each drum is labeled with details. Information is printed on wire surface. It includes company name, voltage rating, wire size, manufacturing date. Printing machine works continuously. Clear marking helps identification. Some wires are fire resistant. They are exposed to flame. Engineers check if insulation melts or burns. Special compounds are used for fire safety. Finished wires move to packaging area. Plastic wrapping protects from dust. Boxes are labeled properly. Barcodes are attached. Packed wires are stored in warehouse. Temperature and humidity are controlled. Inventory system tracks stock. Orders are prepared for shipping. Forklifts load wire drums into trucks. Safety belts secure the load. Products are shipped to construction companies, electrical shops, power stations. Modern factories use robots. Automatic sensors monitor thickness. Computers control speed and temperature. This improves efficiency and reduces errors. Factories reduce waste. Scrap copper is recycled. Water is reused after filtration. Smoke filters reduce air pollution. Eco-friendly production is important. From raw copper rod to finished insulated wire, the process is detailed and precise. Every step ensures safety, durability, and quality. Wire manufacturing is a perfect example of engineering and technology working together. Thank you for watching this complete factory documentary.